I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling window snapping and opening the two apps you plan to use side by side. Once done, drag the first app's title bar toward the left or right edge, or press the OS-specific snap shortcut to attach it. This anchors one window. Make sure the second app is visible in the background or app switcher, since many systems present remaining windows for the opposite half. Now you're ready to place the second app into the other pane to form a split view. Once both windows occupy the halves, adjust the divider so each app gets the space you need. Drag slowly to see percentages or pixel numbers on some systems, and set it where workflows feel balanced. You can use keyboard shortcuts to jump focus between panes, move a window to a different monitor, or add a third pane if supported. If an app scales oddly, toggle per app scaling or hide toolbars to reclaim space. Make sure the layout is stable before continuing work. To finish, save the arrangement where possible or add it to a workspace so you can reopen the same split later. If the split doesn't stick, first verify display scaling and multi-monitor configs, then update graphics drivers and restart the window manager or the apps themselves. If native snapping is inconsistent, install a lightweight tiling utility that enforces exact layouts. One key tip: if windows refuse to snap, disable any experimental gesture or composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.